your Maths Master Teacher at Vedantu. So very warm welcome everyone. If you're coming for the first time on our channel Maths Pirates, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So guys, with our motto Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, Maths ki sari problems boom, today your captain has come up with an amazing topic about we are going to study magical number pi. So we have studied about pi in some or the other classes. Yes, we are aware about the pi. Yes, you must be wondering the cupcakes. No guys, not this pi. We are going to talk about the magical number or the mathematical symbol pi. So guys, let's get started and study about pi. So today you are going to answer so many of the questions about the pi. So कहाँ से आया है, किसने इन्वेंट किया है, क्यों किया, इसका कौन से पाई डे होता है, पाई डे भी मनाया जाता है guys. Yes, and also what are the uses of pi in mathematics, why it is so important. So guys, let's get started. So guys, we know pi is a mathematical value or a number. Yes, but the symbol of pi has been actually taken from Greek alphabetical orders. Can you see here? Like we have alphabetical orders in A to Z, English alphabetical orders, we have Greek alphabets also. So this pi symbol has been taken from there. Okay, this is the 16th letter from the Greek alphabets. Okay, so isn't that amazing? So before I tell you more about this pi, amazing pi, we are going to talk about very important problems which are faced by you guys. So you guys face, मैम doubts नहीं solve होते, notes कहाँ से लें, test और assignments कैसे मिलेंगे, competitive exams का material कहाँ से मिलेगा, choice of time हमें नहीं पढ़ना है 1 बजे, हमें पढ़ना है 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So time कैसे हम choose करें, मैम हमें English में नहीं पढ़ना, English में हिंदी में पढ़ना है. The problems of languages, right? We have these types of problems. I know guys. So there is only one solution for these problems. That is your Vedantu Pro Life Plan. So also you are going to get these bonuses with this solution. You are going to get unlimited live classes, all the micro and crash courses, performance report, your personalized performance report and personalized attention from the India's best master teachers. So what are you waiting for? Go and visit this link given in the description box. Click on your grade, select targeted exam, get subscription, 1 month plan. Just you know what is my code, that is AT Pro. Just use the code AT Pro and you will get discount already in your pocket. So go guys and visit this link, use code AT Pro and be a pro. Now guys, let's talk about what is the invention, what is the need of pi. Yes, when did pi was invented? So guys, when it was felt that we need something or the other to take one object from one place to other, like it was the invention of wheel. Yes, so we thought in order to just take one thing from one place to another, we require a vehicle. Yes, so wheel was invented. Yes, so in order to make a perfect wheel, perfect shape of wheel, we required a diameter and circumference. For example, if you are not going to draw a perfect shape of wheel of a vehicle, you are not going to take up one thing from the another safely. Yes, so it was felt that why not we should make something constant in this shape so that we can draw a perfect circle. ठीक है, perfect circle हम कैसे बना सकते हैं? When the diameter and the circumference ratio is going to be 22/7. It was told that if the circumference is 22 and the diameter is 7, the ratio of circumference to its diameter is 22:7, then only we can say that it is a perfectly drawn circle. That means 22/7, multiples can also be there, but the ratio should be 22/7 irrespective of the shape and size of the circle. Okay, it can be smaller, it can be bigger, but the ratio should be 22/7. Then only we can say that circle is perfectly drawn there. Okay, so what is the exact value of pi? We know that it is told that 3.1415926 point and so on is the ratio, is the exact value of pi. But you guys know, we were not able to find out the exact value of pi. We'll let you know why. First, let's understand how did we introduce pi in our mathematics. So with the help of pi, the mathematicians introduced geometry in order to make you understand the role of circle in the mathematics. So with the help of pi, we were able to draw a perfect circle, the area, the volumes, right? Volumes of the cylinder. Alright, so we'll let you know everything. First, see the basic formula of geometry. We know that this is the circle, this is the radius, yes, and this is the diameter, and the whole circle's red line is known as the circumference. When you start working from here and then come back to the initial position, that is the circumference. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Yes everyone, so the first formula which was derived with the help of pi was circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Alright guys, so let's go to let's understand what is pi. So guys, pi is an irrational number. So what is irrational number? Irrational numbers are the numbers which are terminating in nature, which goes on increasing and never ending. They are never repeating. They are not going to repeat. Alright, so that is rational numbers. So value of pi is not terminating and non-repeating also. So guys, approximately we had calculated the value of pi, but I would like to tell you many mathematicians and the scientists in this world tried to find out the value of pi, but their life ended. They were finished, but value of pi was not being calculated approximately. Even the supercomputers failed to find out the value of pi. It was found out that 1.2 trillion, approximately 1.2 trillion तक की वैल्यू निकाली गई है पाई की, but we were not able to find out the exact value of pi. Can you see here? That is 3.14592653587. It is never ending, guys. Can you see? It goes on till forever. So we can say that it is infinite. Yes, never ending. Alright, so how can we remember the value of pi? What do we are going to just remember in our mathematics? What we are going to use? That is 3.14159. That is it. You have to remember the exact value of pi be 3.14159. Okay guys, so it must be really confusing to remember this exact value, that is 3.14159. Yes. So I have a small trick for you guys to remember this particular value. Maybe I have a large container of butter today. May I have a large container of butter today? So count the number of words in May. 3. So 3 point I have, that is 1. Have has 4. 1. Large 5. Container 9. That is it guys, and that is your value. Okay. So 314159265. So isn't that amazing? So let's move ahead. Find pi yourself. You can find out the value of pi by yourself. Just do one thing. Just take one plate or one bowl and just find out with the help of tape, a measuring tape, the circumference of that. Okay. Let's say I have taken the plate whose circumference was 82 centimeter and then measure the diameter. You know how to measure the diameter? Use just across with the help of the measuring tape, across the center just measure the diameter. Let's say I have taken 26 centimeter. Now divide circumference upon diameter. Circumference is 82 and diameter is 26. Find out the ratio. The ratio would be 22 by 7 and when converted it will be 3.15238. Okay. So this is really pretty close to pi, but not exactly the value of pi, right? That is not exactly the value of pi. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ जो अभी तक हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं वो सब गलत है. Yes, Yes guys, it is wrong, but we have still not able to find out the exact value of pi. Okay, so we are going to take up the value of pi as 3.14159. Alright, I hope it is clear to everyone. And one more interesting fact about this, it would be, since the exact value of pi can never be calculated, we can never find the accurate area and circumference of the circle. Yes, it is never being calculated the exact area or the circumference of the circle. It is absolutely the approximation which I use. Okay. So how much percentage of error is there? 0.05% of error. That means the whatever area, whatever circumference you find about the area circle, that is wrong. How much? 0.05% it is wrong. Okay. So guys, till now it is not being invented. Okay, so maybe you can be the mathematician who will be able to find out the exact value of pi, and do let me know what is that. Okay, now do you know that there is a day in the calendar which is celebrated as the Pi Day? Yes, we celebrate Pi Day in India also. Yes, so many restaurants offer pie recipes on this day. So what is that date? Yes. Any guesses? Yes, that is March 14. Okay, there is one quick hack. How did we find out why we are celebrating March 14 as the Pi Day? Because the value of pi is 3.14159, and at 1.59 seconds, 59 minutes, we are going to celebrate the Pi Day. Why? Because the value of pi is 3. 3 means March, right? January, February, March, that is 3. 14th of March, that is date, and 1.59 would be the exact time we are going to celebrate Pi Day. Alright guys, isn't that amazing? So what are the uses of pi in mathematics? That is, we are going to use it in area of circle, circumference, cylinder's area, volume of cylinder, area of cone, volume of cone, area of sphere and volume of sphere, area of hemisphere and volume of hemisphere. Isn't that amazing? Yes, hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel if you love this video, if you love pi. So guys, one more thing I would like to tell you, like there was a need to introduce pi in the world, right? So it is way beyond your imagination what is going to be invented next, right? So everyone is unique like a pie. You are also unique like a pie. So find yourself, find your talent and just excel in it guys. Maybe you can be the inventor of next thing. Yes, so guys, keep on learning and keep on exploring, you guys. You can be the next pi. Okay guys, bye my pirates. We'll see you in the next session. Keep calm and love pi. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.